You will just have to kill me. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti.
Duterte! Ilabas niyo! At organisasyon na walang... Kaya dapat hindi...
Kontento na si Duterte lang po yung mananagot. Dapat po lahat po ng mga kasangkot po ni Duterte, kagaya ni Bato, ni Bongo at mga kapulisan po sa community. Dapat po sila kasama ni Duterte, hindi po yung si Duterte lang po ang mananagot.
Please be seated. Veuillez vous asseoir.
I would like firstly to confirm your identity. Could you provide us with your full names, please?
I'm Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
This week, the world watched as a strongman falls, a firebrand leader known for his brutal drug war, arrested upon the order of an international court. It was seamless but controversial, sparking a political firestorm. What's next for former President Rodrigo Duterte? And will his arrest have any impact on his daughter's impeachment battle? I'm Stanley Palisada, and this is the Weekend Wrap. An unprecedented chain of events rocked the Philippines. The quiet morning of March 11th quickly turned chaotic as authorities flocked to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport against a backdrop of rumors an arrest warrant is out for former President Rodrigo Duterte. The former leader was returning from Hong Kong, where he joined a campaign rally for the senatorial slate of the party PDP Laban. There, Duterte hinted at what was about to come.
Kaya naman ako nakita ninyo na patong-patong ang kaso ko